Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, cleaning checklists. Cleaning checklists today. What can they do? Maybe what can't they do? I think about, if someone was going into a gym and wanted to get stronger, and so they had a list of 15 exercises, things they were going to lift, biceps and triceps, and they're going to go through this list. If they do that and they check off each one each day for each of those 15, well, there's a darn good chance they're going to accomplish their goal. But just like the person going to the gym, it is true they could get better. But if they don't like the gym, if they don't like the people there, if they're bored and don't feel connected to the people at that gym, if they don't feel trained on how to use the equipment properly, it could all fall apart and they could lose interest and stop. And then you're back to not having anything at all. It's a lot the same way with cleaning checklists. They can be very handy, but just having a person initial or sign off on each little task, sometimes that can even be a little bit unrealistic when it's 10 tasks in 50 areas. It gets to be overwhelming. But even on a bigger point, it's this. As important as maybe a checklist can be as a guide, just as important, right, maybe more important, is the idea of picking the right person, giving them lots of training so they know what they're doing and feel prepared, that they like you, they like your company, they like the place that they're cleaning. They may even know you've introduced them to people there so they know in the office who the people are in the company. A lot of those kinds of things mean a lot more in terms of a person sticking with something so that the cleaning continues to be done into the future the way you'd like it to be done. Cleaning checklist, but nothing wrong at all with them. They can be very handy, but they don't take the place of these other things that are helpful too, right? Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.